Report 8560 is the table of contents for your long report. You should open the blank document from within GDP and Lesson 85, and Report 8560.docx should show at the top of the screen. Be sure to read all the instructions below, which are a combination of instructor reminders and textbook instructions that I have posted in Blackboard as in this document on the right of your screen. And you will notice that my default font is 12-point Calibri already, so I do not need to make any changes in step 1. Then, with the insertion point in line 1, I am going to press enter 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to begin the first line 2 inches from the top of the page. I am going to center, Control E, and type contents in all caps, bold, and 14-point font. Then I'm going to immediately change back to 12-point font, turn off bold and caps lock, and press enter 2 times. Now before I go any farther, it's time to set tabs. And to do that, we go to the paragraph grouping on the Home tab, press the dialog box launcher and the Tabs button in the lower left corner. The first step is to press Clear All. Then we're going to set a left tab at 1/2 inch, type 0.5, and make sure it's set on left with no leaders and set. Then we're going to set a right tab at 6.5 inches, so just type 6.5 in the box as I have. Change it to right, and with dot leaders, the number 2 option, and click Set. Now, if both of these appear in this box, you are ready to click OK. Now, we want to return to left alignment, so I'm going to press Control L. I'll be typing the main headings in all caps at the left margin. The first one is Problem. Now your text makes it look like these are in bold, but they are not. After you type the word problem, you press Tab once. The dot leaders are filled in and you type the page number 1 and hit enter twice. Now remember that your textbook on page 322, the outline is incomplete. You must use your report to fill in the rest of the information. The next main heading is Intercultural Seminars. Tab once, type the page number, enter twice for a blank line. Now, if your page numbers differ, you should make your contents match the page numbers in your report. Then I will not count it wrong if GDP scores your report wrong on that account. All right, for the subheadings, we need to turn off caps lock and tab once to our 1/2 inch left tab to type these in upper and lower case. Then the subheadings are also single-spaced. After the last subheading, insert a blank line, turn caps lock back on to type tentative seminar schedule. Enter twice to type bibliography. Depending on whether your report was 6 or 7 pages long, you should type 7 or 8 on the table of contents. I cannot say whether GDP will count that correct or not, but I will not count off for it if you make it match your report. Okay, this is a sample of the table of contents as it matches a report that I have typed. I'm going to turn off Show Hide so that you can see how it would look on the page. Now, we're not going to include the report header on this page. If you have checked it over and are happy with your results, you should return to GDP, save, score, and review your work. Edit this to 0 errors.